Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Preeti Rajani working here as functional consultant. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about how to manage accounting calendars in Oracle Fusion application. So you need to understand first, the accounting calendar is one of the most important steps before the creation of the ledger because we need to associate accounting calendar to the ledger. Let's start. What is accounting calendar? An accounting calendar is used to create your accounting year and the period it contains. It specifies common calendar options that the application uses to automatically generate a calendar with its periods. Now we will see practically how to manage and create accounting calendar in Oracle Fusion application. Go to Setup and Maintenance. Go to Task List. Click on Manage Implementation Project. Select your project. Search the task Manage Accounting Calendar. Click on this task. Go to task option. Click on create icon. Give the name of your accounting calendar. Give the start date. I'm taking it as 1st January 2021. This is the period frequency. There are n number of options. I'm selecting it as monthly. Here you can give the prefix to this calendar name. This is optional field. This is the separator. Here there are n number of formats. You can select any of them. Here you have to give adjusting period. These are the options available for adjusting period frequency. I am selecting it as once at year end. Click on next. As soon as you click on next, you can see system has automatically created the period. And the last, you can see this is a adjusting period. By default, system has given it a name. You can edit it. We are giving adjusting period. Now we will click on save and close. This is the way how we create accounting calendar in Oracle Fusion application. I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching the video.